Well, good morning to week 2, and here we are. I'm outside today, so I thought I'd just show you what it's all looking like, so we can all have a look and just see what school is looking like with nobody in from the outside. And it is really quite strange, all of this, isn't it? Now, I hope you've had a really good weekend. Thank you so much again for all of those wonderful pictures and all of those stories of your kindnesses last week. This week, we're going to be looking at family and talking about how we can look after our family, what is a family, why it's important to be part of that family, and what you can be doing at home to make sure that your family is safe and loved and cared for. And I've also got a challenge for you. So here's today's assembly. Have a brilliant week. So no matter how you look at it, we are all one big family, and it's really important that we look after one another and we hug that family tight and keep one another safe and secure and loved, especially during all of these times. Now, family is really important because they are the people that are there for you all of the time, and we might fall out every so often, but even when we fall out, by just saying sorry or by doing some kindnesses, we can overcome any obstacles. And especially at this time, when we're trying to stay at home and stay safe and make sure that all of the key workers can go out to work and do their jobs to keep us all safe, family becomes even more important. And it's not just your family at home, it's not just those people who live with you, it might be those grandparents that you've not been able to see for a while, or your aunts and uncles, or it might be family friends that you think of as family. And there's also the Trumica family. Everybody that's ever been part of Trumica School is part of our big family, and that's a really big thing where we all look after one another. So hopefully you're managing to keep in touch with as many different people as you possibly can. So families do change sometimes. If you look at the pictures, my family have grown up incredibly over the years, right from when they were just little and having to be carried around when we went on family walks, to the big people that they are now, where they're setting their own course and their own destiny and deciding what they want to do in their own lives. But families, even though they change, they do stick together, but they need working at. We need to keep telling one another how much we mean to one another to keep that family unit going. And families can look different. Nobody's got the right way for a family to look. Sometimes it can be two mums, two dads, a mum and a dad. They can have different colour skin, different hairstyles. They might wear glasses, they might not. There are so many different families across the world, but all of them have one thing in common, and that's that they are there for one another, they love one another, and they take care of one another. And that's what really defines what a family is all about. Now, last week I told you a story about the large family, and hopefully you managed to get to listen to it on YouTube and watch the pictures as they went by. But it's really important, the message of that story. Even though we are family, sometimes we just need a bit of peace and quiet. That's all we need. And you will need that just as much as your mums and dads, just as much as your grandparents or whoever else is living in your house. But we all need just a few moments, just to ourselves, when we can reflect and remember what our family means to us. So do bear that in mind. So really, what we're trying to say this week is, even when you're in lockdown, even when you're in your house and you're not getting out very much, we are all thinking of you. Everybody at Trumica is still thinking about you and hoping that you're well and hoping that your family's well. And we are sending huge hugs to all of you. Even though we can't hug you at the moment, there are big hugs and there is big love coming out from everybody at Trumica. And I hope you can feel that in some sort of way, and that you feel you can pass those hugs on, because they are so important. So I said there's going to be a challenge. What I'd like you to do for this week is draw your family. Doesn't matter how you do it, whether you want to paint it, chalk it, do it in pencils, felt tips, I do not mind. If you want to make models of your family and then take a picture, I don't mind. But then can you ask your adults, please can you take a photograph of your wonderful drawing, or scan it in, or do something and email it to me. If they email head@trumacre.lancs.sch.uk, and I will put all of those wonderful pictures and models and everything else together into one PowerPoint, and that will be our Star of the Week assembly for this week. So remember, just love your families, look after one another, make sure you're giving big hugs, care for one another, love one another. Have a brilliant week, and don't forget your home learning. New ideas are already on the website. Head over to it and enjoy. Have a good week. Bye.